Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you a simple Python program to perform arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and one more modular operation which is used to find the remainder. Let's get started. To run Python program, we need Python softwares. If you already installed, that's great. If you not installed Python, just go through the Python installation. I have created a video on how to install Python and Python software. Just go through the videos. I have provided the video link in description box. Let's start with the program. Create a new file and name it as arithmetical operations. To perform arithmetical operations, we need values. Let's take a value. A is equal to input, enter the value of A. As I told you in the earlier videos, that input is a function that takes the input as string. We need to convert it into the integer type. By using int function, we can convert the string to integer type. Let's take int function here, which converts the string type to integer type. This is for one value. We have to take for the another value. B is equal to int input, enter the value of B. After taking two values, we have to perform arithmetical operations. Let's take sum is equal to a plus b. For subtraction, a minus b. For multiplication, a into b. And for division, a divided by b. And to find the remainder, we have to use percentage, a percentage b. After finding the all, we have to print the result. Let's print addition of a and b and subtraction, multiplication, division, and modular. After writing a code, run the program and give the input as 10 and 20. Here we can see the result. Addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Subtraction is minus 10 and multiplication is 200 and division is 0.5 and remainder is 10. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click on notification bell. Thank you for watching.